There.
Oh. Can you edit this?
Oh yes, we can do anything we
Oh,
want.
that'd be fantastic.
Oh,
because
yes. There will be editing involved.
Great.
It's not a
Right.
one-take wonder. It's fun when you can do it in one take, though.
This is one take.
Sure.
All right. Hello.
So hello there. Welcome again to the Non-Cook series. Today I've traveled to the extravagant land and the wonderful kitchen of Mr. Craig Hunt. Thank you so much for inviting us, me and our viewers, to your home.
Oh, welcome to the kitchen. Pleasure to have you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes.
I'd kiss you, but I realized perhaps I should have gone
That's
to the. Yes. That
and
gal who does my exfoliating.
Puppy's going to be a little jealous. Sorry.
Oh, yes.
All right.
You know, I went to the spa and I did a little, waxing, but I think I'll have to have my gal do a little better on my upper lip somehow. I think she missed a little something.
I like it.
Oh, thank you. It's
Keep
very, well, I'll keep it, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Anyway, here we are in the kitchen of Mr. Craig Hunt, and
Welcome.
Today I understand you're going to show us how to combine some of our activities into cooking and exercise. And I must say I'm quite fascinated how we could be a bit more, shall we say, efficient to do both at the same time. That's really what efficiency is about, isn't it? Doing more at the same
Well,
time.
it has fish in it, and fish are swimming, and they're very efficient.
Oh,
Yes.
That's quite a combination
Efficient.
of things. Efficient fish.
Yes, that's where the inspiration comes from. Is fish from
So
efficiency.
efficiency. Fascinating.
Yes.
So exactly where does one start in the kitchen with this especially for someone who's really a non-cook? I mean, I do most of my being in the cooking my being in the cooking looks quite a bit like this much of the time. Like
I
this,
think any
actually.
good cook starts with that.
Oh, well then,
Yes.
my. So I'm lifting. No, there's weightlifting involved in exercise. Yes.
Right. Now, let's take you through a quick exercise, and that exercise is, let's put our focus here.
Okay.
Although, you didn't have any of that. You don't need a glass.
Okay.
In this kitchen, no glass required.
Let's move my mustache just a tiny bit so that doesn't get in the way.
There you go. What is it? It's only 10:14 in the morning, so we're in good shape.
But that's very heavy.
Yeah.
I feel like maybe another rep might be good.
Yeah. And when it's full when you start, you actually get more of a workout than when you're starting with a quart of a bottle like you are now. So,
Well, it was full at one time, but we won't tell anyone.
true.
Well, my
True
mustache
enough.
is now tasty. And fully.
And it actually straightened out. No,
Oh,
we're good. We're good.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, who needs an exfoliator? I think just a bottle of red wine seems to take care of that.
There you go. And if you want, if you're concerned about germs, you can actually hold it like this
Oh my God.
and pour. That's all right. That's what the
Oh my.
that's what the apron is for.
And let's talk about your apron.
Well,
It's quite lovely.
Yes, there's quite a few motifs going on here. Fish for efficiency.
Oh, yes. Woo,
Yep,
there we
there you
go.
go.
Popping.
Horse, Year of the Horse, of course, 2014.
There you go.
The butterfly for, you got to be light on your feet in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Maybe even if you're not light on your feet, move like you are light on your feet.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Very light.
So,
I feel dancing. Should we dance? Light on our
some music
feet?
is
Okay.
actually a good thing in the kitchen.
Light on our feet. I like this.
But I've got a couple of things arranged for you today to work on before you get into the non-recipe.
Okay, what have you got going?
Well, right here, a lot of people buy their spices already ground, but I'd like you to do just 2 repetitions with this as a way to say homage to the ground spices.
Holy mother of God!
Here, we'll take the pestle out. Don't want to drop that on you.
I think it's dropping my whole muscle.
Oh, little fix there.
Thank you.
Oops.
Oh.
Oh my golly.
Oh, well, we may
They
just...
didn't do a very good job when they, there we go.
There we go.
We patched attached to it.
Okay, watch the, no, it's all about form.
Let's form, bicep, there we go. All right.
So the whole lifting is from here to, oh, am I going up?
Don't, keep your toes out of the way.
Yes?
There you go.
Oh my goodness. Breathe
Okay,
deeply.
one more. Over the head. And down.
Oh my
All
God,
right.
the powers it has.
Oh!
To just knock the hair right off of you. Maybe
yes.
off your chest as well, those of you who have a little. Yeah, maybe. Okay.
A little bit.
Wonderful.
Won't put that
Don't
in the
tap
kitchen.
that, don't in the kitchen.
Okay.
No?
So,
Whew.
yes, that's the
That's a cardio
that's how you
workout
handle
right
your
there.
spices right there.
You see,
Yeah.
isn't that funny? I thought that was for spices, and now, oh my God, I've had seen the hair loss is giving me a different accent.
Oh.
But it really is. I've never noticed really how the kitchen can give you quite a cardio workout.
Yes, and let's move you over to the cast iron. Let's move the cast iron over to you.
Oh yes, please.
All right.
Let's make
So
that
this
easier.
is a walk. Normally, people are going for thin walks.
I go for a walk.
Right, but
I can go for a walk without leaving the kitchen.
yes, and don't mistake this for a hat. It's not a hat.
That looks very
It's a walk. It's an iron walk. Look at that, 2 handles, and so again. So this time, what we're going
I
to
feel
do?
burning on now.
You're going to hold onto the handles.
Okay.
Okay.
Handles.
And you're going to let it pull you to the ground to ground yourself before you start cooking. Ready? Just 2 reps, nice and slow. Yeah, a squat, perfect. 1, 90-degree angle, good form. Oh, you're going too low. Stand up, very good. Keep your back straight.
Yes. Engage those muscles, I'm told. I'm engaging something.
There we go.
Where's that?
And 2, perfect.
Oh my
Nice.
I like the notion of a walk. When you go for a walk, meditate. Oh my God, we can add meditation to this. Because when you have a 20-pound thing on your head, it is a meditative walk. Oh, but the wine.
I'm going to spot you.
That wine got me a little tipsy for my walk,
Wow.
I think. So, yes.
All right.
I'm going to take a quick check, make sure we haven't run out of any tape yet.
All right.
Because that would be a bummer if we were losing any of this. Oh no, we're still rolling.
We're still running. Great.
7.5 minutes. Great.
Just to add a little music in the kitchen is good. Good, you're using your hips. That's excellent.
This is our hips.
A little bit of almost like salsa in the kitchen is good.
Salsa? No,
Salsa.
that frightens me when you say that
Oh.
because that makes it sound like food and actual cooking.
Oh, right.
And I'm much more, you know,
Yes, I
a
was.
non-cook.
Yes. And lastly, in terms of the pan,
I'm exhausted. I'm not. I don't know.
you know, you've heard of Iron Chef?
Yes.
Yeah. This is way beyond Iron Chef. This is heavy cooking. And so with
Heavy
this
metal?
one, yeah. So exactly that. This is your guitar. And, oh, sorry.
Hello.
Yeah.
Even I know that.
Yeah. Anywho, there's your guitar. Little air guitar before you cook with the iron skillet is actually.
Well, I feel like we need a soundtrack for this, but we don't have it, so we'll just pretend. Ready?
Da 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 da.
Okay.
All right.
Whew, that was good.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
So I find myself wanting to point out to people the non-cook, 100 years and still really non-cooking. That's me. And another 100 years of non-cooking. Now, don't be too disappointed then when you come to my house for dinner. Don't actually expect the meal because I am the non-cook. Okay, sorry, back to the workout.
No.
It's
really all about the conversation around cooking.
This was much more my pace for the lifting. Let's see if I can do this again.
Yeah, it's good
Good
to start
posture.
light. 24-ounce bottle of wine, some are 22.
My mother always liked the boxes. Those are quite big and heavy. She needed my help to get it in the refrigerator. She never lifted it because it had the little tap on it. But I had to lift it into the refrigerator.
Yeah, that's good for old people. But you're quite young. I'd probably stay with the bottle.
Okay, ready.
Nice form. There you
Breathe
go.
deep. Ooh, don't lose your mustache.
There you go. Make sure you stand up straight. Make plenty of room in your gastrointestinal tract.
Ah!
Excellent.
I believe that's
Good
lighter
chug.
now, though. That was quite a
Good chug.
chug, actually. Yeah. Oh. Whew,
And-
I almost feel like I could cook now. Really, I feel quite good.
Well, I've got
never
an
quite
award
had
for
this.
you. This is the called the Silver Apple, and it's for the best cooking technique in the kitchen. And I just want to let you know of all the hundreds of meals that are prepared in here, you take the apple. So,
How could that possibly be?
well,
Do you know the secret to my cooking, don't you?
I didn't know if you were sharing that or not, but would love to know.
Come on. Tell me the secret. The secret to a non-cook's cooking. Now this is we mustn't ever tell my family this,
All right.
because I'm sure they don't know.
Keep it a secret.
The secret is, are you sure you're ready for this?
All right, I'll keep it in my hat.
Please,
Talk to
I'm
me.
going. The secret to the non-cook cooking, the kind of award-winning cooking that's non-cooking, is, I don't even know if I can say it. I might have to spell it. T-A-K-E-O-U-T.
Oh. Let me close the words.
Don't let them fall out. It would be
All right,
terrible.
there we go.
So yes, I know. It's surprising for most. Take out. Take out.
Oh, right.
When you are a
Right.
non-cook, but you have
Right.
this reputation. Let's just step back into
Yes.
So you have this reputation of being able to walk into really any kitchen anywhere in the world and perform these master meals, these preparations without really cooking.
That's brilliant.
You just need
Wow.
to know the local takeout. And have some sneaky things in the kitchen, so that no one ever sees the takeout box.
Right. And then you could put it into something like the heavy wok that we
Yes,
were looking
and that
at.
gives you that-
The skillet. Put it on the table.
The walking
Wow.
back and forth
Yeah.
in the kitchen is really where I get my most cardio, from the refrigerator or the freezer, in case it came in some sort of frozen packaging.
Wow.
Freezer, microwave, freezer, microwave. I mean, you really could do that for 30, 40 seconds and break quite a sweat.
And what that leaves you more time for is, if you want to get out and play,